same.
Sorry, but what the hell is that?
It's a fish. Of which fish I don't quite know, but it is actually pilchard, surrounded in cream that a young boy with brown hair appears to have squirted around it, with a hint of Tabasco sauce on top to help you eat it. You can chew only half of it, preferably the bigger piece, and that may you earn 2 stars per can.
But it doesn't really matter what piece you go for, does it?
Yes, it does.
I can't even feel if it's breaking. And there's a hard bit on it. It's like...
As soon as you've finished it, open your mouth so I can see it, and then you can have some water. Just chew it. Just chew it. Just chew it and don't think about it. Think of it as a piece of ice cream. Chocolate flake.
Oh my god.
If you can't do it, just spit it out into the plate. And you put it in
Oh man. I can't move it. I can't swallow it. No. No, I've got to go.
Go on then.
I'll give you 1 star for trying.
I've got fish in my mouth.
Have some water. Have some water.